Hey you guys, it's Shandera. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all of my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying a $335 cream, and that is the mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. So yes, honey, I am paying half of my loan money for my kitchen and bathroom skincare. Don't you touch me. So let's go ahead and swatch this product. Side note, can we just talk about the packaging? I mean, I could see why it's $300 because this is like, y'all hear that? I mean, it's like, is this like stone? Like, can I sell this with the corona going on? Will I get some money for this? Will I get some money just for the jar? Is this opal? What is this, La Mer? Is this glass? I'm trying to figure this out. So here we go. That is what the product swatched it horribly. But this is what the product looks like. This is the La Mer product. I did swatch it. See, this is La Mer. I don't want y'all judging me. And this is the real deal. I bought it from their website. So this is the real deal. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, that is the swatch. So let's go ahead and smell this cream. Okay, so there's a lot going on with this scent. Okay, first of all, when you first smell it, it smells like Nivea Soft. La Mer, I am going to review this product as its own. But if you do not want me to compare this to Nivea Soft, can you please get a new scent? Because it's out here smelling like Nivea Soft. But then, as you see... Then as I smell it more, it smells like Sun and Park Beauty Water. So I'm confused. Is it Sun and Park Beauty Water? Is it Nivea Soft? La Mer, I am going to ask you to not get a fragrance that smells like two really inexpensive products and you out here charging us $335 for this. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this cream to my face. It says put a small amount on your fingertips. And wait, what? Put a small amount between your fingertips to release the miracle broth and press gently into cleansed skin. Okay, so, okay, this is... Don't... Release miracle broth, release. Oh my god, La Mer, you out here wilding. Side note, I purchased this product. I just want to say this because I know a lot of people are about to go, did you really spend $300? Girl, no, you know I didn't spend $300. If you watch my videos, you already know when La Mer had they sale around the holidays, I got this in a bundle. So don't even play with me, and it was under $2. So don't even play. Oh my god, I'm using too much. So yes, it is authentic. There is apparently a lot of people trying to say I don't buy authentic creams. I'm out here purchasing from eBay. Someone tried to say that I'm actually watering down products and altering the effects of them. I get you. Like I have time to do that with a toddler. I'm out here altering products now. I don't know where y'all come up with this stuff. Like, I have time to alter products, edit a video. You guys don't know how much work goes into YouTube. Editing videos, making the video, and then now I'm altering the product. Okay. Oh, wait, let me pat it in. Okay, this is how you do it. Oh, yeah, La Mer. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Oh, my God. Go, here we go. Ooh, it's patted into my skin, but this is the issue. I feel like I need to rub it in. I don't know about all that padding. Just don't understand the padding. Oh my god, look how much she used. This is embarrassing to someone like me who used like half the jar. Look here.
Press onto skin morning and evening.
You can't even tell she put none on.
Deeply hydrate with soothing miracle broth, the legendary elixir at the heart of the...
Did you guys see how much she used? Oh my God. I used like the whole jar compared to what she used. I mean, I've made a dent in it. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see this. I literally made a dent in it, but I use as much as I feel is perfect for my face. But clearly look at her head and look at my head, and plus I got all the way down to my neck, so that's why my neck looks the same age as my face, because why I use so much is to smear it down my neck. She didn't even smear it down her neck, Lemaire. This demonstration needs to be redone with me and then having me smear it down my neck, because she looks 30 years older on her neck because she did not pat it into her neck, Lemaire, and that's all I'm gonna say on that. So I don't want to hear no lip from people saying, oh my God, you use way too much. I can't believe you wasted so much product. Well, she didn't even put it on her neck, so she did it wrong too. So I don't want to hear no sass from y'all in the comments. You guys, so this is what the cream looks like. I mean, it gave me really great dewy skin, and it's not sticky. It's very silky. I am going to go ahead and let it dry down just a little bit if it dries down, because normally when I wear it, I will be honest with you, it doesn't dry down. But we are going to see, does Lemaire decide to have a different effect on my skin today? With that being said, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so here is my skin with Lemaire's the Moisturizing Soft Cream. It didn't dry down too much after the 20 minutes. Normally it stays this dewy and glowy all day, and I get so many compliments when I wear it. It's kind of hard for me to decide either to wear this or my Tatcha water cream. I'm gonna just be honest with you guys, because I get a lot of compliments on both. So it's really hard some days, but when it's a really windy day, this does have to be reapplied. Okay, you guys, let's talk about Lemaire's the Moisturizing Soft Cream. I like this product. I do want to make fun of this product, but I genuinely like it, and I know some people probably want to splurge on a moisturizing cream, and if you have combination dry skin, I think this is a wonderful moisturizer to splurge on. They do have the 3 different sizes. They have a $90 one, $180, and a $335 one, depending on which one you got. Y'all know I got the bundle around Christmas time. It's all documented on this YouTube channel, so I don't have to lie. With that being said, I really enjoy this cream. I think it's a wonderful cream. It doesn't have to be reapplied throughout the day. It doesn't give you product buildup. Genuinely, what I like to do is use a chemical exfoliation, and then after I do a chemical exfoliation, normally it's a cheap one like the Ordinary's peeling solution, then after I go in with this cream, and oh my God, my skin looks really glowy. It looks the best it's ever looking right after I use that peeling solution and this cream. Can you talk about a combination? El Cheapo 1 ounce $7.20 chemical exfoliation, and then a $335 moisturizer. I mean, you can't go wrong. Look at this glow. Bam, 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 honey. I look hydrated and great. With that being said, there are days here in Arizona specifically where it's really dry, and even though this cream dries down nicely, I have to walk around with a thermal water. So I do suggest, if you do live in a dry climate, it may be nice to walk around with a thermal water just so you can rehydrate this cream, because this cream is expensive and you want to use it sparingly. Depending on your head size, could last you about a good 18 months, and that's a long time, maybe even longer. I don't see nothing wrong with using a cream for about 2 years, especially an expensive cream. I'm not judging you, okay? If you take 18 months to 24 months to use this $335 cream. Look at me. I am not judging you, girl. You get your money worth. That's what I'm saying. And then save up for the 24-month end to buy it again. It's a great moisturizer. I see nothing wrong with pairing it with an inexpensive chemical exfoliation or an inexpensive cleanser, and then using a wonderful moisturizer. Because at the end of the day, if your moisturizer game is strong, then, you know, everything else will fall in place, whether you use cheap cleansers, toners, or not. With that being said, now let's make fun of the product. La Mer. La Mer. This is all I have to say. You know, I am not the only one. There are 50 million people who are out here comparing La Mer to Nivea Soft, because that is what it smells like. If you want us to stop comparing it to Nivea, it is time for a reformulation of the scent La Mer. La Mer. The scent is outdated, it's old, it's time for something new. You need a signature scent for your brand, and stop copying Nivea. That is all I have to say. You make really great products, except for that micellar water. You make really great products, but we need an updated scent for your signature moisturizers, which are La Mer. La Mer, we need a new scent. La Mer, what is going on? We need answers, La Mer. Some of us like your products. There are a lot of people who like your products, rave about your products, but I mean, if I could go to Walmart and pick up $5 Nivea Soft when I am really broke and on a budget, I'm gonna pick up Nivea Soft and pretend it's La Mer. I may actually go once I'm finished with this jar and put Nivea Soft in the jar and pretend I'm using La Mer. If I don't sell a jar, because everybody out here selling jars now, you know, these are I guess novelty items. The empty jar is a novelty item. I don't know. You know, wouldn't it be funny? Side note, can we get off track for making fun of La Mer? Could you imagine, you know, you tell your husband, your significant other, whatever, oh, I really want La Mer's moisturizer. You know, you've been real nice. You know, you've been not nagging him or her. Goes both ways. And you're like, oh, I really want this moisturizer. What if he bought this online and then put Nivea Soft in it? And then you wouldn't know the difference. And some man will do that. Men are messy. They will do that. You know what? Let me go ahead and go, because I can already feel the dislikes coming. With that being said, this is a wonderful moisturizer. I suggest anyone try it. I have noticed when using this moisturizer, my pores have been smaller. I don't get breakouts, and when it's that time of the month and my skin is a little bit oily, I really do love using La Mer's The Soft Moisturizer. I really think it's a great cream. With that being said, you guys, let me know your thoughts down below. You buying $335 moisturizer? You spending your kitchen money, your bathroom money, your mortgage money on La Mer's? With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.